Hello everyone, this printer is Epson XP-4200 series. I want to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable to your computer. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. Use up arrow, go to Wi-Fi image, select on the Wi-Fi image, then it will show you Wi-Fi recommended is in blue color. We're going to disable the Wi-Fi network. So select on the Wi-Fi, select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi status and network name. Then you need to scroll and select the change settings. Select change settings, select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi setup wizard, push button setup, WPS. Scroll down to select others. Select OK to others. It will show you pin code setup, WPS, Wi-Fi auto connect, or disable Wi-Fi. So scroll down to select disable Wi-Fi, select OK. Disable Wi-Fi, then select OK, start setup, select OK. Setting up. Setup complete. Then select close. Then if you go to the panel, it will show you that Wi-Fi is in grayish color and Wi-Fi direct is in grayish color. What that means is the printer is not connected to Wi-Fi network or not connected to Wi-Fi direct either. So now we want to connect it with a USB cable. What you need to do is take the cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the cable to USB port, and it's in. Then take this part of the cable. So the USB cable is type A to B. So take this part of the cable, connect it to computer. The next thing to do is you need to go to Windows Start, select Settings, select Printers and Scanners. You can select Bluetooth and devices, then go to Printers and Scanners, select on it, and the printer is available. Epson XP-4200. If the printer is not available, you need to add a device, but the printer is already available, showing us here. You need to select on the printer, and the printer is showing us idle. So select Print Test Page. Windows Printer Test Page. You have correctly installed your Epson XP-4200 series on laptop. Port name USB 001 data raw and Windows x64. If you want to scan documents, if you select scanner setting, a blue line will highlight under scanner settings. Then select Open Scanner. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. Close the cover. Then this is Windows Scanner. So the scanner, you picked up Epson XP-4200 series. Then file type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution. So 300 dpi selected. We want to save the document in document file. Save the file to document. Then select scan. So it's scanning the original. And this connection is with USB cable connection. To see the document, select View. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. The printer is already picked up Epson Expression Home 4200 series. Select on it, make sure it's ready. The printer is ready. Then select number of copies, layout, portrait. We want to print all, and also want to print it in color. Print on both sides. Scroll down to select print on one side. More settings, select on it. The size of the paper is A4, fit to printable area, and 1 page per sheet. Then select print. will show you printing complete. Then select OK. So this is how to connect this printer to computer with a USB cable. Then print out a document, and also we scan document to confirm that the printer is working. So this is how to connect the printer with a USB cable. Thank you very much indeed.